elected to bowl first.
New ball. LED में देखते हैं.
Batsmen from Raichur, please come to bat.
स्कोर देखने की जरूरत नहीं, मैं इंडेक्स देख रही पूरा.
थोड़ा जल्दी बैटिंग और बैट स्टोरी फाइनल है. मैच अभी से मानता
फाइनल में बेस्ट मैच फील्डर्स को हटा दो देने का.
फाइनल खेलेगा आज ही छोड़ जाना. Raichur batsmen, please come. We are requesting. Who will win the match? This is the biggest match between today. Rocks 11 and Raichur. Raichur batsmen, please come to bat. Raichur batsmen, please come to bat.
Both team 12 player. स्टेज के पास आ. बोल का बोल. Both team 12 player. Both team 12 players compulsory.
I'm requesting to Rock 7 and Raichur Spartan. आपके 12th प्लेयर्स इधर कमेंट्री के पास भेजो भैया. वाई बिकॉज ये लाइव टेलीकास्ट है. आपके नाम परफेक्ट आते हैं इस पे
ताकि कोई दिक्कत ना हो सके.
आई एम रिक्वेस्टिंग बोथ टीम 12th प्लेयर्स प्लीज कम टू द स्टेज.
करे ये मंगले जो उनके लगता है भाई ये इनका नहीं, इनके नहीं, डीजे वाले पक्का लगा है. दे
Today's second semi-final match between Rocks 11 and Spartan Raichur. Rocks won the toss and decided to bowl first. In this match, who will win? They will go to fight with 11 lands.
Rocks 11 won the toss. Elected to field first. Raichur batsmen, we are requesting to Raichur batsmen, please come to bat because next we have another match. Final match, the grand final.
पेट्रोल का क्या पंगा बोला फिर.
Amir Sohail.
Umpires.
Wait. Amir Sohail.
अमिर घर को गया. ये बाटिल है देख दे ले.
Both batsmen comes into the crease. The Raichur openers ABD Imran and Left hand Salman.
सलमान नहीं भाई एक क्लैरिटी है ओवर्स पर तू बोलता मैं ओवर्स का एंट्री स्कोर स्पॉन्सर हो गया टूर्नामेंट को एक
टुडे एम्पायर से कुछ अनाउंस कर टुडे एम्पायर से
काम करो फयाज पर बैठा तो इजी दिखता फयाज भाई एम्पायर का नाम क्या फयाज भी शेखर शेखर चंद्रशेखर
Empires for this match, Fayaz and Chandrasekhar.
नहीं इसमें देखो बोल सकते
We are heartfully thank you to empires. We are heartfully thank you. Rocks 11 won the toss and elected to bowl first. Good teams, please don't delay because next we have final match. ఈ మ్యాచ్ లో ఎవరైతే గెలుస్తారో వాళ్ళు ఫైనల్ లో చేరుకుంటారు. ఫైనల్స్ లో 11 లైన్స్ తో పోటీ ఉంటుంది. చూడాలి ఎవరు గెలుస్తారో. 11 lines trophy presented by Amir Sohail in the ceremony of Dr. YMD Yakub and the final on Monday afternoon 2 p.m.
This second semi-final match between Rocks 11 and Spartan Raichur. The new bowler Firoz Sheikh bowling from Park End to Salman, and this time Salman faces to Firoz Sheikh. Let's start. Good delivery into the deep mid wicket, but fielder is there. Strike into the fielder's hand, and it's easily taken 1 run. Good running between the wickets, and good start from Spartan Raichur. And this time ABD Imran is on strike. And this time ABD Imran faces to Firoz Sheikh. The informed batsman from Spartan Raichur. He played 360 degrees in this ground. A bit of field change for Imran. Ball is on the air, but trying to field over, but it's a boundary. 4 runs. First boundary for Spartan Raichur in the form of Imran. Good start from Imran with a boundary. It's an excellent 4. No third man. Ball moves to boundary. And again, Imran faces to Firoz Sheikh. Again, good shot. 2 bombs, 3 bombs. Good fielding. Ball doesn't move to boundary, and easily taken 2 runs. Good outfield by Rocks 11. Good outfield from Rocks 11. And again ball is on the air. And easily taken 1 run. And this time Salman faces to Firoz Sheikh. He's a Tagda batsman. Last match he hit in 3 maximums. Again ball is on the air. This time fielder is there, trying to take a catch, and it's out. Left hand Salman is gone in the form of first wicket. catch by Ajit Mohite. This catch taken by the skipper Ajit Mohite. Now this time Shabaj comes into the crease. And Imran faces to Firas Sheikh. Last ball of the hour. Last ball of the first hour. Good shot by the Imran. And this is a fielder. Good field from Rocks 11 by Thomas. And it's over. And Imran faces to Vivek Shellar. Vivek Shellar, the right hand fast medium bowler. Good slow delivery. Good start by Vivek Shellar. The big second semi-finals between Rocks 11 and Spartan Raichur. And trying to take a reverse sweep. Batsman completely beaten. Good bowling by Vivek Shellar. Second or third ball in progress. Again, Imran faces to Vivek. Good slow delivery. Batsman completely beaten. 3 continued dot balls by ABD Imran. Good start by Vivek Shellar with continually 3 dot balls. Again, Imran faces to Vivek Shellar. Batsman trying to reverse sweep, again completely beaten. Continuously 4 dot balls in the power play. Last 2 balls remaining of the power play in the second hour. Good start delivery and easily taken 1 run. Last ball of the hour. Ball is on the air. Fielder is there and safely landed between the fielders and easily taken 1 run. Good running between the wickets and it's over. After completion of 2 overs, score moves to 11 runs, loss of 1 wicket. Good bowling attack by Rock 7 players. Hello, check. Yeah. Hello, check. Okay, done. And the new bowler, Ankur Chowdhury, bowling from Park End. And this time, Shabash versus to Ankur Chowdhury. It's a good start. Strike to the fielders and easily taken 1 run. And this time ABD Imran. Imran faces to Ankur Chowdhury. Third over, second ball in progress. This is the second semi-final match between Rock 7 and Spartan Raichur. A bit of field change is there to ABD Imran. Now Imran faces to Ankur Chowdhury. Ball moves to the fielder's hand and easily taken 1 more run. Good field by Prathamesh Pawar. And the batsman Shabaj is on strike, faces to Ankur Chowdhury. Good shot, but fielder is there, trying to take a 2 runs. Midfield by the fielder and easily taken 2 runs. Good running between the wickets by ABD Imran and Shabaj. All audience required a maximums. Good shot between the 2 fielders. Trying to take a 2 runs. Comfortably take a 2. Good outfield by Rock 7. And again, Shabash faces to Ankur. Wow, batsman completely beaten by the Ankur's ball. It's a dot ball. Last 2 balls remaining in this over. Last 2 है ना? Last ball, sorry. Again ball between the 2 fielders. And good field by the Rock 7 team player. He saved 2 runs for his team. And it's a 2 runs. It's over. The new bowler Illu bowling from Rouse end. And this time Shabash faces to Illu. Hello. Check. This time batsman is out. It's a second dismissal for Spartan Raichur. First wicket by Illu. The second wicket gone in the form of Shabash to Spartan Raichur. The new batsman Ganesh comes in the form of third wicket into the crease. The new batsman Ganesh comes into the crease, faces to Illu. For the third ball in progress. Again good square ball. This time easily taken 1 run. And this time Imran faces to Illu, the captain of Spartan Raichur. Batsman trying to reverse it, but it's a white ball. Good call from the umpire. It's a white ball. Umpire decision is final decision.
एक्स्ट्रा रन है ना? हाँ? फर्स्ट एक्स्ट्रा है. एक्स्ट्रा रन पहला वाला है.
First extra run enter into the scoreboard. Again batsman trying to hit, completely beaten. It's a dot ball. Good bowling by Illu. Good bowling attack from Rock 7. Again batsman trying to reverse it, but it misses. It's a leg by 1 run.
लास्ट बॉल है ना भैया? लास्ट बॉल है.
Last ball of the over.
गणेश.
And the new batsman Ganesh is on strike, faces to Illu. Fourth over in progress. Ball is on the air. Again, keeper is there. It's out. Good catch by the keeper. Second wicket for Illu. And this time, Ganesh out. Second dismissal for Spartan Raichur in the form of Ganesh. It's over. After completion of 4 overs, score moves to 23 runs, loss of 3 wickets, Spartan Raichur. Already 11 lands entered into the final. Let's see who will fight with the 11 lands. Good bowling attack from Rock 7 Emigador. After completion of 4 overs, score moves to 23 runs, loss of 3 wickets. The new bowler Sanjeev,
Batsman name, new batsman.
bowling from Parkant, and the new batsman Habib comes into the crease in the form of 4th wicket. The new batsman Habib faces to Sanjeev. 5th over in progress. Good shot by Habib, straight into the fielder's hand and easily taken 1 run. And Imran faces to Sanjeev, the settled batsman. He played 13 deliveries.
Ankur Chaudhary.
Ball is on the air, it's a no ball. What fielder is there? No ball called from the umpire. Easily taken 1 run and it's a free hit chance. Free hit chance to Habib. Let's see what it happens. Sanju faces to Habib. It's a free hit chance. Wow, good bowling by Sanju. It's a dot ball. Sorry, he's not a Sanju. It's a Ankur. Bowling is 2nd over. Again, it's a good line and length delivery. It's a boys, 1 run. Good bowling by Ankur Chaudhary. He converted free hit into a dot ball. And this time, the captain of Spartan Raichur, ABD Imran, faces to Ankur. Again completely beaten by the batsman by Ankur. Good line and length deliveries. Batsman trying to reverse sweep, again completely beaten. Again dot ball. Last ball of the hour. Last ball of the 5th hour. Batsman struggling to hit a boundaries. And the last ball easily taken. 1 run. And it's over. After completion of 5 overs, score moves to 28 runs, loss of 3 wickets. Spartan Raichur. After completion of 5 overs, score moves to 28 runs, loss of 3 wickets. Last 18 deliveries left for the first innings. If Spartan Raichur wants to give and wants to fight with Rock 7, they need to keep a good total. And this time, the new bowler, Illu, bowling his second over to ABD Imran. Imran individual score is 13 runs in 17 balls. Still he is batting. He is on grease. And the bowler Illu bowling his second over. In his first over, he gives only 3 runs and taken 2 wickets. The captain of Spartan Raichur is on strike. Faces to Illu, 6th over in progress. Outside delivery and it's a white ball. Ball misses the leg stump. Ball misses the leg stump. Umpire called it's a white. It's a white ball. Good start for Rock 7. This is the second extra run added into the Raichur scoreboard. This time ball is on the air. Killer is there. No, it's a maximum. First maximum with the bat of Imran. And for the Raichur, this is the first maximum after a long gap boundary scores. Good start of the hour by ABD Imran, the settled batsman. Good start by ABD Imran. It's a maximum of his first ball of Illu. Last 17 deliveries left for the first innings. And again, Imran faces to Illu. 6th over, second ball in progress. Let's see what will happen. Batsman trying to reverse sweep. This time fielder is not there, but good field by the Roxanne keeper. Easily taken 1 run. And this time Habib faces to Illu. Habib played 3 deliveries in this match. Batsman trying to scoop but completely beaten. And it's a leg by. Easily taken 1 run. Good running between the wickets by ABD Imran. And the captain is on strike now. Faces to Illu. And batsman trying to sweep. It's a step out chance. Keeper misses. ABD got a life. ABD got a life. Good bowling by Illu. And it's a reverse sweep chance. And again completely beaten by the batsman. ABD Imran struggling to hitting the boundaries.
No.
क्या लास्ट बॉल है क्या?
Last ball of the hour.
Strike.
Imran hai. Again trying to reverse sweep. Completely beaten by the batsman. Ball rolls to the boundary. Let's see if fielder will be boost. And it's a 4 runs in the form of Bice. Bat. Okay, fine. It's a 4 runs by ABD Imran. Ball moves to the boundary. It's over.
स्कोर कितना? 41.
After completion of 6 overs, score moves to 41 runs, loss of 3 wickets. After completion of 6 overs, score moves to 41 runs, loss of 3 wickets for Spartan Raichur. Last 2 overs left for the first innings. If he gives a big fight, they need to add some more runs into the scoreboard, because in Rock 7 there are so many big hitters. They can easily chase the small totals. This is the second semi-final match between Spartan Raichur and Rock 7. Raichur won the toss and Rock 7 won the toss and decided to bowl first. This is the 7th over in progress, and this time Habib faces to Firoz. Batsman trying to scoop it. It's a wide ball. Firoz start with wide to Habib. And again Habib faces to Firoz. Batsman trying to reverse sweep, but fielder is not there. And easily taken 2 runs. Good outfield by Rock 7. Again Habib faces to Firoz. Habib faces to Firoz. Again reverse sweep, and this time 1 run in the form of leg by. The captain ABD Imran is on strike, faces to Firoz. This is a limited overs match. Completely beaten by the batsman by the Firoz. And it's a dot ball.
कितने बॉल है अभी? 9 बॉल है इन्हें? या 3 बॉल हो गए? 3 बॉल है.
Last 3 balls of the hour. Good shot by ABD Imran, straight into the fielder's hand. And it's a 1 run. Last 2 overs remaining of 7th over. This time Habib faces to Firoz. 7th or 5th ball in progress. Good shot. This the fielder is there. One hand catch. And it's a no ball. No ball call from the umpire. It's a no ball. But it's a good catch by the fielder. And it's a free chance to the captain ABD Imran. Good catch by the Roxanne player. But bad luck, it's a no ball. And the free hit chance to the captain of Raichur. FD Imran, the settled batsman. प्लेयर्स ने बहुत अच्छा प्यार दिखा रहे हैं अंपायर्स को. फ्री हिट.
हेलो चुप गणेश. हेलो హలో అంటే నిజంగా అనుకుంటలే. సరే సరే డాట్ బాల్ కానీ
Batsman trying to reverse sweep and completely beaten again. Imran struggling for converting the boundaries of the ball. And it's over. After completion of 7 overs, score moves to 48 runs, loss of 3 wickets. Last 1 over left for the first innings to Spartan Raichur. After completion of 7 overs, score moves to 48 runs, loss of 3 wickets by Spartan Raichur. Last over of the first innings for Spartan Raichur innings. This is the second semi-final match between Rock 7 and Spartan Raichur. Already 11 lands entered into the final. Let's see who will fight with the 11 lands. The bowler Vivek Shellar bowling his second over and the last over of the first innings to Habib.
లాస్ట్ బాల్
Ball is on the air. It's a maximum. First ball, it's the first maximum of the anchor. This is the first maximum by Habib. Good shot. It's a flat 6. बहुत अच्छा चक्का मारा हबीब ने. लास्ट 5 balls left. And again Habib faces to Vivek Shellar. Last 5 balls left for the first innings. Again ball is on the air. This time no fielder is there. Yes, good field. Easily taken. 2 runs. It's a run out chance, but umpire was not interested. Batsman comes into the crease safely. It's easily taken. 2 runs. Good running between the wickets by Habib and FD Imran. Good field by the Rock 7 skipper. Last 4 deliveries left for the first innings. Again Habib faces to Vivek Shellar. Good ball. Good line and leg delivery by Vivek Shellar. And easily taken 1 run in the form of leg by FD Imran. FD Imran, the 360 degrees player, facing last 3 deliveries of Vivek Shellar. Bit of field chase is there. Strike 2 fielders comes into the crease in the power play circle. Let's see what FD Imran will do. Good line and leg delivery by, it's a run out chance. Good shoot. Good shoot by Vivek Shallar. Everybody is gone. Everybody is run out.
पवार आदि
Everybody Imran is gone. Good run out by Vivek Shallar. Good field. Good line and length delivery ball. Batsman trying to take a one, but Vivek Shallar make it as a run out. Good shoot. David Imran individual score is 25 runs in 26 deliveries. The new batsman Niaj comes into the crease in the form of 6th wicket. Last 2 deliveries left for the first innings. And Habib faces to Vivek Shallar. Last 2 balls remaining. Good one for, and it's a white ball. Another extra run added into the scoreboard. Last 2 deliveries left for the first innings. And the Habib faces to Vivek Shallar. Reverse, and it's a completely foul. You miss, I hit. Good line and delivery by Vivek Shallar. It's clean ball by Habib. बहुत अच्छा bowling दिया and बहुत अच्छा bowling किया.
bowling किया दिए उन्होंने किया इन्हें
Last delivery of the first innings. Last delivery of the first innings. The new batsman Sharna comes into the crease, playing his last ball of the first innings. Last ball of first innings, Vivek Shallar bowling to Sharna. Ball is on the air, but fielder is there. Let's see what will happen next. It's a easy catch from Shahid Sheikh and it's out. It's over. Good catch by Shahid Sheikh. Second wicket for Vivek Shallar. Over. After completion of first innings, score moves to 58 runs, loss of 6 wickets, and the target is 59 runs in 8 overs for Rocks 11.
रायचूर भाई रायचूर थोड़ा जेलिंग हुआ है फील्डिंग को रायचूर
Requesting to Raichur team players, please come to field as early as possible. We have the finals today. Rock 7 target is 59 runs in 8 overs. It's a decent total of the first innings. 58 runs from Raichur's Patan, and the Rock 7 target is 59 runs in 8 overs. Requesting to Rock 7 batsmen, please come to bat as early as possible. Thomas. Another one is Shahid Sheikh. Thomas. Mumbai का तूफान. Thomas, the Mumbai का तूफान is on strike. The Mumbai ka Tufan comes to the bat and faces to Puttu, the medium fast bowler and the slow cutter from Spartan Raichur, bowling his first over. Let's play. Good start by Thomas. Good field by Salman. Sorry. And this time Thomas. Thomas is on strike. Good field by Salman. And this time Thomas faces to Puttu. The Tufan of Mumbai is on strike. And trying to reverse it. First ball, one ball over the rope. It's a 4 runs. It's a 4 runs. Good start by Thomas. He welcomed Puttu with 4. And again, Thomas faces to Puttu. Bit of field change is there for Thomas. Good start from Thomas. Again, ball is on the fielder is there. Thomas is gone. It's out. Good bowling from Puttu. Good bowling from Puttu. Mumbai की शान. Thomas is gone. Thomas is gone in the form of first wicket for Rock 7.
बाजी का भी तुम्हारा भैया है अभी बड़ा हिम्मत खाली मेरा भैया
First ball is 1 run, second ball is 4, third ball is wicket.
एम्पर गुड बैटिंग गुड बैटिंग भाई एम्पर एम्पर खेल रहा है अरे ना तो बात करें हमें बोल रहे इन्हें बोलते हैं तेरे फोन आया रजत मुंडे
The new batsman comes into the crease. He is Rajat Munde, the left-hand batsman. Last match, he finished the match with one hand. He is a game changer. He hit big maximums in the previous match. And again, Puttu bowling to Rajat Munde. Fourth ball in progress. बहुत तगड़ा बल्लेबाज है ये. It's a white ball. First extra run added into the scoreboard for Rock 7. Rajat Munde, the left-hand batsman, comes into the crease. Again it's a white ball. 2 back-to-back white balls by Puttu. Rajat Munde faces to Puttu. Fourth ball in progress. Good line and length. Batsman completely beaten. It's a dot ball. The left-hand batsman Rajat Munde is on strike.
7 रन हुआ ना.
Wow. Again dot ball. Good bowling from Puttu. Good comeback with a wicket and back-to-back dot balls. Last ball of the first hour. Another dot ball. Good appeal by the keeper. Waiting for umpire signal. Waiting for umpire signal. Waiting for umpire signal. Waiting for umpire signal. Yes. It's a not out. It's a dot ball. Over. Good bowling by Puttu. Good comeback. After completion of first hour, score moves to 7 runs, loss of 1 wicket. After completion of first hour, score moves to 7 runs, loss of 1 wicket. Good start by both teams. The both batsmen, Shahid Sheikh and Rajat Munde, and this time Shahid Sheikh is on strike. खड़े खड़े छक्के मार सकता है ये बल्लेबाज. द न्यू बॉलर. बॉलर का नाम क्या है भैया? बॉलर का नाम क्या है? नदीम. बॉलर का नाम क्या है? नडी. द न्यू बॉलर नदीम bowling from Rouse End to Shahid Sheikh. Second over in progress. इधर ओपन करो हाथ को देता देखो. Shahid Sheikh faces to Nadeem. Ball is on the air. Safely landed, 1 bounce over the rope. It's a 4 runs. Good shot by Shahid Sheikh. He welcomed Nadeem with a boundary. Second ball in progress. Again, Shahid Sheikh faces to Nadeem. It's a dot ball. Shahid Sheikh saying something. भाई बाइक का मिरर थोड़ा डाउन करो वहां पे. भाई ऑडियंस, जिधर एम्पायर बता रहे हैं प्लीज कोऑपरेट अस. बैक साइड बाइक मिरर కొంచెం బైక్ మిర్రర్ డౌన్ చేయండి అన్న. బ్యాట్స్మెన్ కు షైనింగ్ కొడుతుంది మన సన్లైట్. ఎస్, ఇట్స్ ఓకే. అగైన్ షాహిద్ షేక్ faces to Nadeem. Second or third ball in progress. Ball is on the air. Mr. Filler is there. No, it's a maximum. Already I told you. ये बंदा खड़े खड़े छक्के मार सकता है. This ball dropped top of the core. Hope nothing will be damaged. Good shot by Shahid Sheikh. Again ball is on the air, but fielder is not there. Ball moves into the fielder's hand. Easily taken. 2 runs. Good running between the wickets by Shahid Sheikh and Rajit Monde. Again, Shahid Sheikh faces to the team. Again, 2 balls over the rope. It's a 4 runs. Good start of the second over of the power play by Shahid Sheikh. He is playing like a one-man army to his team. Last ball of the second over. Again ball is on the air. Another maximum by Shahid Sheikh. It's a 6 runs. Over.
गाँव नहीं है रहने के लिए.
It's a over. After completion of 2 overs, score moves to 29 runs, loss of 1 wicket. 2 ఓవర్లు ముగిసేసరికి స్కోర్ 29 పరుగులు, 1 వికెట్ నష్టానికి. Good start of the power play. And this time Rajit Monde. And this time Rajit Monde, the left hand batsman, the informed batsman, the left arm big hitter. The new bowler Habib bowling from Park End to informed batsman Rajit Monde. Goes the elder volley, fielder is there, but it's a misfield. First life for Rajit Monde. Catches win the matches. Catches win the matches. Everybody will know this. First life for Rajit Monde, and this time Shahid Sheikh. And this time this Shahid Sheikh. And this time Shahid Sheikh faces to Habib. Again ball is on the air. It's a maximum. It's a maximum 6 runs. बंदा छोटा है मगर बहुत छक्के मारता है. Excellent batting by Shahid Sheikh. 3 maximums. Again this time straight into the fielder. Easily taken 1 run. Now this is time for Rajit Monde. And this is time for Rajit Monde faces to Habib. Easily taken 1 run. Shahid Sheikh. Shahid Sheikh is on strike now. Shahid Sheikh faces to Habib. Wow. Good mind game by Shahid Sheikh. After 6, he played 2 singles. Rajit Monde faces to Habib. The big second semi-final match. It's a white ball. White call from the umpire. Another extra run added into the scoreboard for Rock 7 Emiganur.
Hello, Sal Conti.
Score moves to 40 runs, loss of 1 wicket. Rock 7 Emiganur. Rock 11 needed 19 runs in 30 balls. Rock 11 గెలవాలంటే 30 బంతులు 19 పరుగులు చేయాలి.
अजीम बॉलर बॉलर अजीम
The new bowler Ajim, he bowled very well in the last innings. He's a depth bowler and the score controller. Bowling to Shahid Sheikh. बंदा छोटा है, लंबे छक्के मारता है, उसका नाम है शाहिद शेख. Again ball is on the air. Again one bounce over the rope. It's a 4 runs. Shahid Sheikh welcomed Azim with a boundary. Shahid Sheikh हर एक गेंदबाज को 4 रन से वेलकम करते हैं. Again, Shahid Sheikh faces to Azim. Trying to take a big hit, but easily taken 1 run. And this time Rajit Monde. Rajit Monde faces to Azim. Rajit Monde faces to Azim. Ball is on the air. It's out. Rajit Monde is gone in the form of second wicket. Good comeback by Azim. Good comeback by Azim. And the new batsman from Rock 7.
इल्लू बैट्समैन ने प्लीज अजित मोहित ना होने
आकाश आकाश आकाश
The new batsman Akash Chindaria comes into the crease in the form of third wicket for Rocks 11. And this time Akash faces to Ajim. Ajim taken is a wicket of his last delivery. And let's see what Akash Chindaria does in this ball. Wow, good fire ball, run out chance is there, let's see. No, easily taken, 1 run. Good field by Habib. Good bowling from Ajim. But it's a late call for you. And again Shahid Sheikh is on strike, faces to Ajim. Good shot, straight to the fielder's hand, but it's a misfield, it's a 4 runs. It's a midfield, it's a 4 runs added into the scoreboard. Last ball of the hour. Again Shahid Sheikh faces to Ajim. Again ball is on the air. Ball is on the air. Fielder is there. Out. It's out. Another wicket for Ajim. But it's a late call for you. Good 2 wickets. Shahid Sheikh is gone in the form of 3rd wicket. Are the new batsman from Rocks 11? Batsman name Ajit Mohite. My ball. Astro Sallu's favorite batsman Ajit Mohite comes into the crease. 9 run मारना है भाई. 24 balls, 9 runs more to win. बैट्समैन ने क्या है फेस का Akash Chindaria is on strike and non-strike is Ajit Mohite, the favorite batsman of Astro Sallu. अरे कल से फिर बोल सकती हैं क्या? नहीं. बॉलर कौन है? Good start and a good shot, but fielder is there. Niaz isne? Niaz, the new bowler bowling from Parkand to Ajit Mohite. 6 फुट 2 इंच का बल्लेबाज है. Ajit Mohite start with dot ball. Again Naeem faces to, Ajit Mohite faces to Naeem. Ball is on the air. Fielder is there. And it's a catch. Ajit Mohite is gone for a duck. Ajit Mohite is gone for a duck in the form of 4th wicket to Rock 7. Rock 7 need 8 more runs to win and enter into the final fight with Levin Lions.
अरे सल्लू हमारे बच्चे कौन सा तो सल्लू ना ना अरे जाको उसका नन्नारी ला जा रे कमेंट लगा दे रे कमेंटर को नन्नारी दे ना 10 में 3 ले ले 3 में 4 ले काम पकड़ लेगा आता भाई 2 लगा
The new batsman Prathamesh Pawar.
लास्ट कितने बॉल से
Last 3 balls. The new batsman Prathamesh Pawar, named as Nana. Good shot, and this time no fielder is there. One bounce over the rope by Akash Chindaria. Good shot by Akash Chindaria. One bounce over the rope. 4 more runs to win. Let's see Akash Chindaria will finish it in his style or not. Yes, Akash Chindaria. No, it's a 1 run. And this time Prathamesh Pawar, the middle order batsman, comes into the crease. 3 more runs to win. Prathamesh Pawar, named as Nana. Good shot, but fielder is there. No, and it's over. Game finish. Prathamesh Pawar, Nana finished it in his style. First ball moves into the boundary and the game finish. Rocks 11 entered into the finals. They goes to fight with 11 Lions. The grand semi-finals match is between 11 Lions and the Rocks 11. The grand final